to open the door?
It does give me a lot of confidence. They've been behind me this whole time, like helping me through all these classes, making sure I'm able to do these projects without hurting myself or others. And it makes me feel happy that we're looking at safety first. That's very important to me.
Show me what you know. I run my classes like a job, on time, go to work, no extra breaks. I run everything like a job because they need to get rid of or understand that. All my students do.
Measure again?
And one more time, right?
Yep.
Make sure everything's where it's supposed to be.
I have very good attention to detail. That's why I've been working on trying to get a job in quality, because like you need attention to detail. You need to know what you're looking for and you know how to measure.
There's things in mainstream classes that you have to spend days on. I never had to do that with Jackson. It was hours, and he was probably, when is Neil going to shut up? Because he already got it.
I am autistic, which means I have I slow down when I'm defocused. I start to not get the things in my brain.
I have a grandson that is autistic, and that actually lived with us. So I was really schooled at how to understand what's going on.
He knows how to teach people with autism. I feel like the way he interacts with me is very, very communicating, understanding.
When this comes up, then it's going to be another quarter inch, but watch what happens.
Oh wow.
Here it comes.
Barely stopped the cooling.
Yeah. I made him at ease just by treating him as one of the guys.
That is very important to me. It's very important to me that people are inclusive, because my disability, I've been excluded from very many things from my life, and I love it. I love it when people include me in different activities and different jobs and things like that.
We have a worker shortage, and we have populations that aren't in our fields, especially in the trades, because they don't know about it or they don't think that they can be successful. I'm here to tell you they can. With our college's help with the training, we can be extremely successful and fill a need for companies and also help our populations have a nice paying job and work for a living.